Hello everyone, this is Kanhai from Creative Change. In this video, we'll learn how to make this night sky background using Inkscape. Please follow the steps carefully. First, we'll start by opening Inkscape. Then we'll go to File, Document Properties, change the display units to pixels, click Landscape, and deselect the visibility of the show page border. Go to View, zoom in 1 to 1, and make sure you have selected Custom. Then go to show and I hide and make sure you have all these tools selected. Then go to align and distribute. Make sure you have last selected and open the fill and stroke using this button. Then we'll start by making a square. Uh, we'll change the height and width of the square. Change the width to 1900 and change the height to 1080. Now we'll give this square a color. You can choose the same color as mine by pressing your typing your color code in this square. 4E69C. Now we'll duplicate this circle by right clicking on your mouse and pressing duplicate. Then we'll change the height of this to half, 540. Now we'll give this square a gradient. You can select the square and click on this tool. Now make sure this is straight. Click on the square and give this a color. 7F 9A C4. Add a new stop between this by double clicking on your mouse. Give that stop a different and lighter color. 59709482. Select the last stop and give this a darker color. 03102 400. If you want to save your painting, you can go to File and click Save. Save it wherever you want. Now we'll make a mountain using the Bezier tool. Now connect this. Now we'll give this mountain a black color. Remove the stroke by pressing on this cross. Now you can align it and make it smaller as you want. Now duplicate this circle. Now we'll make this mountain a little smaller. Press Ctrl and drag this arrow down. Now we'll duplicate this mountain by pressing Ctrl D or right clicking on your mouse and pressing duplicate. We'll flip selected objects vertically. We'll press that or press V on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl and drag this down. Now you see it is coming out a little bit. So we'll select it. Go in the nodes tool Now we'll make a tree. Still there is a little bit gap, so we'll select it again. Go in the nodes tool. Now we'll make a tree. Go to make sure you have deselected everything. You can click on the white space to deselect everything. Now go to extensions, render, random tree. Make sure you have the same settings as mine. Initial size 200, minimum size 20, and click apply. Click apply again and click apply again. Now select all three trees. Go to stroke style and increase the width by 1 pixel. Sorry, 3 pixels. Now we'll take all these over here, make them a little smaller. We'll select one tree and keep them randomly as you want. Now we'll give this mountain a shadow effect. Decrease the A till half. Now select all three trees. Duplicate them by pressing Control D or right clicking on your mouse and duplicating. Now press Control and drag them down and flip selected objects vertically. Drag them down to about this much. Now decrease the A opacity of this tree also. Select these trees. These select all three trees and click on the cross. Go to stroke and decrease the A opacity by half. Now we'll make a moon. Go to the create circles and ellipse tool. Make a circle. Change the width of it. Change the width and height of the circle to 270 pixels. Now we'll give this circle a color. Go to fill. You can put the same color. You can get the same color as mine by putting the color code over here. C1. Give it a color. C1 E3 FF. Now click on go to stroke paint and click on this cross. Now increase the A fully. Take this circle and take it near the tree as you want. Now you want this moon behind the tree. So we'll go to lower selection one step. Click on it again. Now we'll duplicate this circle by right clicking on your mouse and pressing duplicate. Press Ctrl and take the circle down. And now the lower selection one step, click it twice. Now we'll reduce the A to about half. Now, now we'll give this moon a effect of a moonshine. Go to create stars and polygons. Now we'll go to the stars and ellipse tool, stars and polygon tool. Um, in the corners, you have to put 3, spoke ratio 0.484, and rounded and randomized 0. Create a star, a triangle, center it over here. Now we'll squish this triangle. Make sure the triangle covers the whole circle. Take it up a little bit. We'll make this triangle a little smaller. Now we'll go to fill, blur. We'll take that about a half. Now we'll take this down. 1, 2, 3. Select the triangle and make it a little more blur. Now we'll lower it one more step so that the tree is above it. Now we'll add stars to our painting. Go to the stars and polygon tool. Make a very small star. Increase the corners to 5. Make it very small. Now we'll make this star a little more smaller till about this much. Now we'll select the star, go to the spray can. Now when I click over here, one more star is over here. You can apply some stars as you want. Now make these stars, make some more stars in the shadows. Now we have our stars. Now we'll give this mountain a gradient. Create, edit, create and edit gradients. Make sure it is a little bit in the side and the square is down and the circle is up. Take the square a little more down. We'll take this circle a little more down. Now we'll give this a black color. We'll select the square, give it a brown color. We can take it more down to about that much. Now we can select everything, group these together, and we are done with making a painting. If you want to export this as a PNG, then you can go to File, Export PNG Image, click Export As, give it the name you want, click Save, click Close when complete, and click Export. Now we are done with making a painting. Thank you for watching.